This video is about the template editor. It is the second in a series about making templates. We use the template editor to define how a form will look and behave during data entry. For example, whether it will contain drop-down lists or formulas. Begin by having the doc open, and then in the web app, go to Admin, Templates, Create Template, Form. Enter a name, and optionally a version reference, which is useful if you do document management. Initially, a form template contains 6 system fields containing useful basic details, most of which are autofilled. I'll show them on a tablet in data entry mode. The sequence number will provide an ID number later when the form has been saved to project. Each form knows the project it is in. Owned by defaults to your login name, but can be changed to any member of the project. Date raised defaults to today, but can be changed to any date. WBS is optional, and that is explained in a separate video. Short description is also optional. Any text entered here can be seen in the form's register, along with the sequence numbers and other system fields. Let's go back to the doc and template editor. We can change the display names of fields if desired. For example, this form asks for the date and supervisor, so I'll rename the date raised and owned by fields to match. I will also rename WBS to indicate that it is optional. You can change the order of controls by dragging the button on their left, up, or down. The system fields get the data we need for the header. Next, I will add sections and controls for the other parts of this form. You can add a section by clicking Add New Section, or drag a section from the left panel. Then set its name. There are many different types of controls that we can put into a section. Text field provides a space in which the user can enter one line of text. Text area provides a taller space in which the user can enter multiple lines of text, and it will grow larger if the user types a lot of text. There are also controls for having the user enter a number, date, time, or address, or to give them a drop-down list, or a question with buttons such as yes and no, or a signature box. There are also controls for displaying text, making tables, and formulas. For this form, a text area will be suitable for getting comments from a user. So I will drag a text area into the weather section and then name it. The original form has an instruction to the user. I want the same instruction in the 8 mobile form. I can't put that in the display name because they are limited to 15 characters. I'll show you why on an iPad. Here is a completed version of this template in data entry mode. Display names need to fit in the left-hand margin. However, you can display longer text in section names, or by using a read-only text type of control. Back in the template editor, I'll add the read-only text control and drag it above the text area. Clicking on its settings icon, the cogwheel, opens the settings panel on the right-hand side where I can put the full text. The settings panel lets me change other settings too, including the display name, and it can be used to delete a field. The next 6 sections are similar to weather, so I'll quickly add them to this template. They are now done, as you can see. The last section is for getting a signature, so I will drag into that a signature box. In the top right-hand corner, I can click Save or Save and Continue. The latter one keeps me on the current page after it saves. That completes my template. Now I need to update the Word doc using the template. I'll show you that in the next video.